disadvantages of playing online games. On my part, I am going to discuss about computer game addiction. I know many of us play computer games for fun, but some of us don't play it for fun, but play it as a necessity, making them computer game addicts. We What is your favorite computer game? How many hours do you spend playing? What if you are already a computer addict? On my part, my favorite game is League of Legends. I think I spend 2 to 4 hours playing it. So, but if you are going to ask me if I am a computer addict, I think I just still love it. So I research. But I like you to help me evaluate if I am truly indeed a computer addict. I am personally having trouble overcoming this temptation. So I researched and found tips to remove this said temptation. I will introduce the process on how to know how people become addicted to computer games. Then I will discuss the symptoms of becoming a computer addict. And then lastly, I will introduce the tips on how to break free from computer addiction. So let's go to my first point. How do people become computer addicts? First is out of boredom. I think it is the most common cause. The second is to temporarily forget the problem. And the third, to manage unpleasant feelings such as stress, loneliness, and depression. Stress and depression is always next to studies, and I think all of you agree to it. But loneliness, I think I am not lonely because I have many friends and family. Next, let's go to my second main point. The symptoms of computer game addiction. The first symptom is losing track of time. The second is unable to finish tasks or work at home. And the third is isolation from family and friends.
1 minute left.
And my third main point is the tips on how to overcome computer game addiction. The first tip is get a hobby or an interest that doesn't involve computers. The second is hang out with friends. It is limit your computer time. The fourth is don't eat meals at your computer. The fifth, make a list of things to do. And the sixth, look at the list every day and follow it. So I have discussed the symptoms, the cause, and tips. So I think those computer addicts out there should follow this. Thank you.